In today's video, I am going to teach you how to abandon cart Klaviyo setup code. To get started, you will open Klaviyo and look at the main navigation area. The goal of this part is to reach the area where you can build and manage automated flows. On the screen, you will see a sidebar along the left side. In that sidebar, click Flows. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct menu item, because it is the Flows section that controls email and message automation based on customer behavior. After you click Flows, you will be taken to a page that typically lists your existing flows, such as previously created automations, templates, or drafts. This is the dashboard area where you can create new automation. Now you will click Create Flow. This step is important because it begins the process of setting up an abandoned cart experience. When you click Create Flow, look for a button or option that clearly indicates you are starting a new workflow. Selecting this ensures you are not editing something that already exists, and it prepares the system to collect the setup information for your abandoned cart scenario. Next, once you have started creating the flow, you will choose the Abandoned Cart option. From the available choices, select Abandoned Cart. This step matters because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. By choosing the Abandoned Cart flow type, Klaviyo will guide you through the standard logic that matches abandoned shopping behavior, such as when a customer adds items to a cart and does not complete checkout. At this point, you should see the flow creation interface load with details related to abandoned carts. Depending on your account and layout, you may be prompted to configure specific settings. Keep your attention on the flow type you selected, because that determines the starting trigger and the overall structure of the automation. If you notice multiple abandoned cart-related templates or options, select the one that clearly corresponds to abandoned cart. This keeps you aligned with the correct setup code workflow that you intend to implement. As the flow loads, Klaviyo may present you with sections that help you configure the trigger, the messages, and the timing logic. Even though the main instructions here are short, you should still take a moment to verify that you are indeed in the abandoned cart flow environment before moving on. This reduces the chances of setting code or configuration in the wrong place. If you are seeing a page that includes workflow steps or configuration blocks, you are in the right area. This is where the abandoned cart flow will eventually be tailored to your brand and your sending preferences. You may notice draft labels, default settings, or editable placeholders. Do not worry if the flow does not look fully finished yet. Many setup steps happen after the flow type is selected, and the system often provides a starting structure that you can refine. Now you have successfully navigated from the Flows menu to the Abandoned Cart Flow selection. You have clicked into the correct workspace, started a new flow, and chosen the Abandoned Cart category that will drive the automation. From here, you will continue with whatever abandoned cart setup you are planning to apply, including the setup code that the video topic references. That is the complete process for getting to the abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo. You clicked Flows, you created a new flow, and you selected abandoned cart so you can proceed with the rest of the setup in the correct place. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.